Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our tutorial on changing the compatible panel on your Thermomix TM31. Let's dive right in. First, gather the necessary tools for this task. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Make sure you have everything ready before you start. Now, ensure that your Thermomix TM31 is unplugged. Safety is our priority. Removing the power source prevents any accidents while handling the device. Next, we'll start by removing the screws on the back panel. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew the screws. There are typically 4 screws located at the corners. Make sure to keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the back panel off. You might encounter some resistance, so be careful not to force it. If you find it difficult, check for any remaining screws or clips that might be holding it in place. Now, take a moment to inspect the internal components of your Thermomix. This is a great opportunity to clean any dust or debris that may have accumulated over time. Use the soft cloth to wipe down the internal surfaces, ensuring that everything is clean and ready for the new panel. With the internal area cleaned, it's time to prepare for the installation of the new compatible panel. Align the new panel with the frame of your Thermomix. Make sure that all the connectors are properly positioned. If you're unsure about this process or don't have the tools at hand, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. This service can save you time and ensure proper installation. Once the new panel is aligned, begin securing it by replacing the screws you removed earlier. Again, use the Phillips screwdriver for this task. Make sure each screw is tightened properly, but avoid over-tightening as this could damage the panel. Now, before we finish up, let's discuss some features that may be helpful. If you're looking for convenience, we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get repairs done without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple and efficient service. After securing the new panel, reattach the back panel of your Thermomix TM31. Line it up correctly and press it into place. Finally, insert and tighten the screws to ensure it is securely fastened. Now that the panel is in place, it's time to plug in your Thermomix and test it out. Make sure everything is functioning properly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out. We also provide quotes before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Congratulations! You have successfully changed the compatible panel on your Thermomix TM31. This process not only improves the functionality of your appliance but also enhances its longevity. Remember to keep your device clean and maintained for the best performance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.